வணக்கம். 10th Standard Science English Medium Unit 8 Periodic Classification of Elements Book Back Exercise Question and Answers. Short answer questions. Question number 1. A is a reddish brown metal which combines with oxygen at below 1370 Kelvin gives B a black color compound. At a temperature greater than 1370 Kelvin, A gives C which is red in color. Find A, B and C with reaction. Answer: the reddish brown metal A is copper. Result: compound A, molecular formula Cu, name copper. Compound B, molecular formula CEO, name copper 2 oxide. Compound C, molecular formula Cu2O, name copper 1 oxide. On heating at different temperatures in the presence of oxygen, copper forms two types of oxide, CuO and Cu2O. T2Cu plus oxygen below 1370 Kelvin gives 2CuO, that is copper 2 oxide black. 4Cu plus oxygen above 1370 Kelvin gives 2Cu2O, copper 1 oxide red. Second question. A is a silvery white metal. A combines with oxygen to form B at 800 degrees C. The alloy of A is used in making the aircraft. Find A and B. The silvery white metal A is aluminium. Compound A, molecular formula Al, name aluminium. Compound B, molecular formula Al2O3, name aluminium oxide. 4Al plus 3 oxygen gives at 800 degrees C gives 2A2O3, aluminium oxide B. Question number 3. What is rust? Give the equation for formation of rust. When iron is exposed to moist air, it forms a layer of brown hydrated ferric oxide on its surface. This compound is known as rust, and the phenomenon of formation of rust is known as rusting. 4Fe plus 3 oxygen plus XH2O gives 2Fe2O3 XH2O, rust. Fourth question. State two conditions necessary for rusting of iron. Air and moisture are necessary for rusting of iron. Long answer questions. Question number 1. A. State the reason for addition of caustic alkali to bauxite ore during purification of bauxite. Answer. Reason: because bauxite ore is finely ground and heated under pressure with a solution of concentrated caustic soda at 150 degrees C to obtain sodium meta-aluminate. On diluting sodium meta-aluminate with water, a precipitate of aluminium hydroxide is formed. This precipitate is filtered, washed, dried and lignified at 1000 degrees C to get alumina. B. Along with cryolite and alumina, another substance is added to the electrolyte mixture. Name the substance and give one reason for the addition. Answer. Fluorspar. It lowers the fusion temperature of electrolyte. Second question. The electronic configuration of metal A is 2, 8, 18, 1. The metal A, when exposed to air and moisture, forms B, a green layered compound. A with concentrated H2SO4 form C and D along with water. D is a gaseous compound. Find A, B, C and D. Answer. Metal A is copper. 2. Action of air and moisture. Copper gets covered with a green layer of basic copper carbonate in the presence of carbon dioxide and moisture. 2Cu, that is copper plus oxygen plus carbon dioxide plus H2O gives CuCO3 CuOH twice. Basic copper carbonate, malachite green. Third point, copper is react with concentrated H2SO4 to form copper sulfate and sulfur dioxide. Cu plus 2H2SO4 gives CuSO4 plus SO2 gas. We get copper sulfate and sulfur dioxide. Compound A, molecular formula Cu, name copper. Compound B, molecular formula CuCO3 CuOH twice, name malachite green. Compound C, molecular formula CuSO4, name copper sulfate. Compound D, molecular formula SO2, name sulfur dioxide. Third question, explain smelting process. Smelting is the process of reducing the roasted metallic oxide from the metals in its molten condition. In this process, impurities are removed as slag by the addition of flux. Bookmark says hot question. Question number 1. Metal A belongs to period 3 and group 13. A in red hot condition reacts with steam to form B. A with strong alkali forms C. Find A, B and C with reactions. Answer, the metal A is aluminium. When steam is passed over red hot aluminium, hydrogen only produced. 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus 3H2 gas. B, aluminum oxide. It reacts with strong caustic alkalis forming aluminates. 2Al plus 2NaOH plus 2H2O gives 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2 gas. C, sodium meta-aluminate. Compound A, molecular formula Al, name aluminium. Compound B, molecular formula Al2O3, name aluminum oxide. Compound C, molecular formula NaAlO2, name sodium meta-aluminate. Question number 2. Name the acid that renders aluminium passive. Why? Concentrated nitric acid, concentrated HNO3, that is concentrated HNO3, concentrated and dilute nitric acid does not attack aluminium, but it renders aluminium passive due to the formation of oxide film on its surface. Third question. Identify the bond between H and F in HF molecules. Answer, ionic bond. A, what property forms the basis of identification? Answer, electronegativity. Third one, how does the property vary in periods and in groups? Along the period from left to right in the periodic table, the electronegativity increases because of the increase in nuclear change, which in turn attracts the electrons more strongly. On moving down a group, the electronegativity of the elements decreases because of the increased number of energy levels. Thank you.